Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Stopper 2 with horn. Battery replacement. With the stopper 2 still mounted to the wall, lift cover. Before turning the alarm off, you must loosen the switch locking screw with your Allen wrench. Switch the horn off. Replace the cover, and with the Allen wrench, remove the button head screw from top of the cover. Remove the cover from the frame and set aside. To separate the horn from shell, push in then up on horn housing with both your thumbs. Remove the dead 9-volt battery from slot and replace with the new one. Replace the horn housing by sliding horn and shell together. Press down with both thumbs. Horn will click into place. Reattach horn housing to cover using the same button head screw. Switch the alarm on. Tighten the switch locking screw. Return cover to frame. Your stopper 2 is now ready for protecting.